Hello and welcome everyone. Let's start a new topic today, which is associated with the velocity, relative velocity, and spreading rate of rifts, along with its slip direction of the fault. So, here is a question. In the given figure shown below, the rifts A and B are connected by textural transform fault. This is A and this is B. They are connected by this fault, which is textural in nature. One more thing. Okay, let me complete the question first. Its half spreading rate of rift A is 3 centimeter per year and the relative slip rate of transform fault is 4 centimeter per year. The full spreading rate of rift is what? We have to find the full spreading rate of rift. First of all, one thing you should know that to solve this question, you must be aware with the formula of relative velocity. Let us find the relative velocity between A and B. Okay, this thing and this thing. So VA minus VB. Relative slip velocity is how much? 4 centimeter per year. Then VA is how much? 3. We have to find VB. VB is equals to how much? Minus 1. Now this minus 1 is what? What was its unit, by the way? It was centimeter per year, right? Centimeter per year. So minus sign indicates what? It is sinistral in nature. So negative means what? It is towards the left, and it means that it is sinistral in nature. If it was having a positive sign, then it would have been a textural in nature. So spreading rate of rift is 1 centimeter per year with a slip direction towards the left and is sinistral. Let us solve one more question. This was asked in GATE examination. I do not remember the year, but this was asked in GATE geology. So let us read out the question. The figure below shows triple junction between three plates A, B, and C. The boundary between the plates A and B is a ridge with half spreading rate of 4 centimeter per year. Okay, A and B, they both have half spreading rate. That means why half spreading rate? Because they are divided by a spreading MORB. So it is a half, right? Plate is being divided into two parts. That's why we call it a half spreading rate. So half spreading rate is what? 4 centimeter per year. The AC and BC boundaries are collinear and orthogonal to the AB ridge. AB ridge. Yeah, this is true. AC boundary is textural transform fault. A and the C. Okay. They are textural in nature if talking about only these two faults. They are textural in nature and AC boundary is textural with relative velocity of 6 centimeter per year. So relative velocity between fault A and C is what? 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter per year. They have given 6 centimeter per year. The boundary between plates B and C is what? So we have to find out the relative velocity between B and C. These are the options provided, but we have to find out the relative velocity between B and C in centimeter per year and the direction. First of all, let us find the value of VC. So what they have already given us, velocity, relative velocity of A with respect to C is what? Velocity of C minus velocity of A, right? What is the, 6 is the value. Then let's find out for VC. VA they have provided it is 4 centimeter per year. So VC becomes how much? Oh, one more thing. Now minus, right? Then this thing and this thing, they are opposite in direction, right? So if they are opposite in direction, means this is also spreading toward this side. and this is spreading towards the bottom. So they both are oppositely, they're oppositely spreading, right? The direction of spread is opposite. So we will take it as negative here. So minus plus 6 minus 4 is what if it goes that side? Minus plus 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter per year. VC is 2 centimeter per year. Um, Now we've got the value of VC. Now let us find the relative velocity between B and C. So VC is what 2 centimeter. Now VB, because this thing and this side, they both are going in the same direction, right? They are both sliding in the same direction, so we will take it as positive. So minus 2. Sorry, yeah, then I got answer minus 2. 2. So this is the relative velocity between B and C centimeter per year because the sign is negative as we discussed earlier. That is if it is negative, we will take it as sinister. So relative velocity is 2 centimeter per year and it is a sinistral transform fault. One more question. The RFF triple junction shown in the figure below is a stable triple junction. This is the triple junction because these are meeting here. So it is a triple junction point. The boundary between A and C is a mid-oceanic. What A and B is a mid-oceanic ridge with half spreading rate of 3 centimeter per year. Yeah, they have half spreading rate of 3 centimeter per year. The boundary between plate DC is a transform fault with relative slip velocity of 8 centimeter per year. So between B and C, relative slip velocity is what 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter per year. With textual sense of motion. So B and C, it has a textual sense of motion. Because if I'm standing here, I look above, it is going towards the right, so it is textual right. So what should be the relative velocity along the transform pole between A and C? We have to find the relative velocity between A and C. A and C, what will be the relative velocity along with the direction of spread? So let us find out first for VB. VB, relative velocity between V and C. VC minus VB. VC is how much? We do not know. We have to find it. VB is what? 3. Now you see this is spreading this side and this is spreading this side. So we'll take V as negative. This value is also given. VC plus 3, 8 implies VC is equals to what? 8 minus 3, right? So 5 centimeter per year. We got the value of VC as 5 centimeter per year. Now let us, what we have to find? Relative velocity between A and C. So how we will write it? VC minus VA, right? VC is how much? 5 centimeter per year. And then VA, you see, this thing and this thing, they are spreading in the same direction, right? So if they are in the same direction, we will take it as positive. So 5 minus 3, it is what? 3, 4, 5, 2 centimeter per year. So because there is nothing, that means the sign is on the positive side. So positive means what? It is textual. So our answer would be what? 2 centimeter per year textual. Thank you. I hope you understood. These questions are very common in GATE exams. I hope you understand. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.